para sa senior high school. O iba pa yon?
Iba pa po.
Iba pa yon. Sa 17 billion muna, ilan yung unutilized? Nagagamit ba yung buong 17 billion or merong hindi nagagamit? And before, habang tinitingnan niya, Teacher Stella, paralo ko lang, Director Peter Mark, kasi yung department order niya, na-bother talaga ako eh. Alam mo, yung pinaka-basihan na batas natin is the Constitution. And the Constitution says, you must provide quality education. Hindi sinabing access lang to education. It says quality. So dapat matagal lang quality assured. Di ba? At, while we're waiting for AED Redilin, Mr. Junicio of SEAP, kanina pa nagtumataas ng kamay. Yeah.
Mr. Chair, good morning po. Konting clarification lang po, medyo nag-worry din kami. The private school context po, some of our schools are offering in the senior high school program, no, TVL program. The implementation of the TVL program is based on the curriculum guides downloaded to the schools by the Department of Education. These curriculum guides say that these are aligned with TESDA regulations. Yung sinasabi po ba natin, itong TVL program must be accredited by TESDA kasi ang accreditation po sa mga eskwela nangyayari lang if the school is applying as an assessment center or training center. Pero itong mga TVL program po na to, ang pagkakaintindi namin, basta binigay ng Department of Education yung prescribed curriculum, where the standards and competencies are fully expressed in the curriculum guides, yun na po yung ini-implement namin. So, ibig pa lang sabihin, kung hindi accredited yung mga TVL na to, ang estudyante namin, when they get NC assessment, pwede silang pabagsak kasi yung mga TVL programs na to ay hindi na quality assured. Ganun po ba yung pinupunta po?
Yun yung sinasabi sa ating kanina. But let us clarify that point. Kasi exactly that is the reason na bakit nga tayo nag-hearing dito eh. Kasi nga hindi quality, ang ginagamit nilang term, aligned. Ang importante ata sa TESDA is registered or accredited para quality assured. Pero ayaw gamitin nga ng DepEd yung terms na yon. So that is why Teacher Stella was earlier saying, dapat hindi lang sa assessment quality assured. Dapat even before they enter grade 11, kung ano man ang program na i-offer ng DepEd, dapat quality assured na ng ating TESDA. So Ma'am Redilin, bago mo sagutin, ilan yung unutilized sa 17 billion? Balik lang tayo kay Mr. Junicio. Para maliwanag tayo, baka we misunderstood you earlier. Ang point is, kailangan ang ina-accredit or in-register ng TESDA ay programs, correct?
Correct.
When do you register that? Before you offer that? Or is that registered upon assessment?
Before the offering.
So, narinig mo kanina sinabi ng DepEd at sinabi rin ng SEAP. Sinusundan lang nila yung department order. Parang everyone ignored the Constitution dito sa mga bisita natin Pasensya na Ma'am Redilin nagulat rin ako. Kasi ayaw nila ng quality assured Pero, sinasabi mo sa amin, kailangan yung TESDA program registered or accredited na before they offered it para quality assured.
Correct.
That answers the question, Mr. Junicio.
Yung isang suggestion din po namin, kasi wala pa naman pong mga senior high school ngayon na mayroong government recognition, baka po pagdating sa TVL, meron pong kamay ang TESDA.
That is what we're trying to do, Mr. Junicio. That is what we are asking Director Peter Mark, ASIC Janier, and the whole DepEd family.
Yes, we support that, Mr. Chair.
To be able. By the way, Mr. Junicio, anong NC ang binibigay ninyo sa SEAP?
At depende po, Mr. Chair, mayroong mga NC2, may mga NC3.
Majority is NC2 or NC3?
NC2 lang po, I would say, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Junicio, you would know that hindi na naman siya, di ba? NC3 ang talagang dapat.
NC3 po dapat. So maganda nga pong development kung yung mga electives na talaga geared towards NC3.
That is para quality job.
To secure better job opportunities.
Mr. Junicio, I will first call my Vice Chair, the Honorable Det Escudero is recognized.
Mr. Chair, based on yung sinasabi ni Mr. Junicio, ang intindi ko, TVL accredited pero hindi TESDA accredited. So meaning, yung mga TESDA accredited schools, sila lang yung pwede magbigay ng NCT certification. So pag inaccredit na yung mga TVL schools ng TESDA, ibig sabihin, pwede na rin kayong magbigay ng NCT certification. Tama po ba? Kung na-accredit na rin kayo ng TESDA.
Pwede po kaya sa test na yun? Or sasabihin nila kailangan
Ma'am
external
Redilyn,
ang validity?
could you respond to that question?
Yes, yes, Mr. Chair. The national certificate is achieved through a national competency assessment.
That
So, TESDA lang po yung
TESDA.
accredited assessment
Yes.
center na
yung
nagbibigay.
para sagutin si Honorable Escudero, ang accreditation o registration ninyo is just to ensure na quality assured yung program na yon.
Yes. po,
Pero
in
at the
delivery.
end, kailangan pa rin kayo yung magbibigay, correct?
Yes, that is the ultimate measure.
So pwedeng mangyari, Mr. Chair, na kahit i-accredit ng TESDA, hindi automatic na pwede silang magbigay ng certification. Tama po ba? It's always TESDA.
Ma'am Redilyn?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So pwede pa rin natin, Mr. Chair, i-require, no? And going mandatory na if ever, i-accredit sila ng TESDA or i-register sila ng TESDA, but not automatically, pwede silang magbigay ng NC2 certification.
Correct. Pero ang minimum kasi under the Constitution is DepEd should be able to provide quality education. Eh kung hindi ka nga registered yung program mo o hindi accredited, hindi quality assured by the very institution that the Philippines has acknowledged who can be able to say na skilled yung quality assured yung skilled work. So kailangan talaga ng test ng accreditation. Yes, ASEC Roger Masapol.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Clarify ko lang po yung dalawang points. Yung unang point is yung alignment po ng offering ng senior high school textbook. Nang nag-operate po simula yung senior high school, ang ginagamit po ng DepEd na standards ay TR, training regulations ng TESDA. So wala po kaming ino-offer na textbook noon prior to this pagbabago nang hindi align sa TR. So in terms of quality assurance po, naka-align po sa training regulation lahat po ng offering namin.
ASEC
senior high school.
Masapol, ito yung problema eh. Kayo nag-i-implement, kayo rin nag-check sa sarili ninyo.
And
Kailangan nga, dapat kinuha ninyo sa kanila.
yung second, Mr. Chair, yung second point po, the reason kung bakit ko konti po yung nasi-certify ng TESDA is po dahil may bayad po yung before yung pagpapacertify sa TESDA. Pero po ngayon, recently, nagkaroon na po ng memorandum of agreement ang TESDA sa DepEd na libre na po yung pag-assess. So, bali po, ang tinatrabaho ngayon ng DepEd sa kanang TESDA ay yung pong data sharing agreement na po ngayon.
Sec Roger, anong department kayo? Executive?
Sa ano po?
Executive department kayo ng Philippine government. Tama?
Yes po.
Ang TESDA, executive department rin ng Philippine government, di ba? Kayo yung nagka-problema. Bakit yung sinasabi sa amin ngayon dito na dati may bayad sila kaya hindi nyo ma-implement yun? Pareho ko yung executive, nakikita kayo sa cabinet meeting eh. Tapos, yun ang dahilan nyo sa amin dito? Parang hindi ata tama yun.
So, ngayon po naayos na.
Okay, sige.
So,
Alright.
so,
Pero Sec Roger, that is not an acceptable reason. Kasi pareho kayong, unless talagang may Republic of the Department of Education na solong-solo kayo. Pero pareho kayong cabinet, dapat nag-uusap kayo, executive departments kayo. So that should not have been a reason. Before, Sec Roger,
yeah, last point na lang po, Mr. Chair. So lahat po ng graduates namin ngayong school year ay lahat po mag-undergo ng TESDA assessment.
Yeah. For how many years of implementation of the K-12 program? Hindi mo na kailangan sagutin. Lahat naman lang namin, alam namin, nag-pilot na kayo na maaga-aga pa. So, again,
So, Chair, just to
Yes.
reiterate my earlier point, if you are quote-unquote aligned, which is your favorite word, why can't you push it to registration? Meaning, why can't you say, okay, since aligned naman pala kayo, why can't TESDA say, yes, all schools are TESDA registered in that sense? I mean, meaning,
hindi ko before.
yes,
DepEd
but
had its own world eh. Di ba? Si Claudio, yun,
I mean,
hindi
di ba
ako.
parang
Si Claudio,
if
tama
we
ba?
can boldly come to Congress and say, sure kami na aligned kami sa lahat ng standards ng ESTA. Yes, Chair.
Peter Mark? Peter pa o Mark? Ano?
Peter Mark po.
And what,
But they call me Mark po.
Mark na,
Your Honor.
Peter Mark, yeah.
Yes, Your Honor, no. That is fully recognized, no. I think on a personal note, no, because there have been no hard conversations talaga on that aspect, no, about quality assurance and whether, at least from my end as a practitioner before, as of TVET practitioner, no, as far as I know, no, there have been no hard conversations about ESDA coming into the basic ed system and doing that sort of accreditation, no. But
Palagi papagsak sa equipment,
yes,
things like those eh.
lahat po yun, Your
Ayun.
Honor. Yes.
Tayong, huwag na natin bintangin ang ating mga sarili, di ba? So kahit na on paper, akala natin aligned tayo, in reality, talagang hindi eh. Kasi babagsak tayo eh. So we have to really take note of the role of the private sector. Eh, kung meron naman, yes, the providers na nandiyan naman sa private sector, eh meron naman 17 billion in funds. Hindi nyo pa sinasagot yung tanong ni Mr. Chair. Magkano yung unutilized funds? Doon po sa 17 billion. Mr. Chair, tanongin ulit natin.
Yes po. Ang total percentage of utilization po namin ay 96.7%
Utilized,
utilized po.
Ngayon?
obligated,
By
dispersed,
2024 po na
Ay.
data, 96.7% po
dispersed,
ang
dispersed.
Ibang obligated ibang disbursed.
ang disbursed po ay 87.5%. Ang
Actually,
disbursed.
Sige,
okay. So that's pretty big.
submit na lang to the committee para we have that on record.
Ang laki So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng scholarship funds nagamit.
Disbursed. But can we get the point of view ng TEBSA Phil, Dr. Antonio Galvez?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Based dun sa napakinggan, tinitignan ko yung role ng private TBI sa pagbibigay in offering NC2. No? Nagtataka ang private na nag-o-offer ng NC2, NC1, NC4, at NC5. Bakit napunta ang NC2 sa DepEd? Samantalang based on trifocalization law ng education, may kanya-kanyang mandato ang DepEd. Ang DepEd ay sa elementary hanggang high school, ang TESDA sa TechBook, at ang CHED sa higher education. So, parang nagkaroon yata ng overlapping or overlap ang pagbibigay ng private institutions ng NC2 at pagbibigay ng K-12 ng NC2. Kasi kami, ang meaning namin, ang level, ang equivalency ng NC2 sa amin bilang private TBI ay basic. Ang basic, tinuturo yung talagang basic. If we will follow Philippine Qualifications Framework, nandoon yung technical education and skills development na makikita natin merong NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4, NC5. Ngayon, ang mga kurso na ino-offer ng mga private institution ay level 2, 3, 4. Ang ibig sabihin ng level 2 ay basic. Ang entry requirements dito ay 4th year high school. Ang level 3 ay tinatawag namin advanced. Ito yung textbook, no? Which is ang prerequisite, yung nakatapos ng basic. Bakit basic and advanced? Kasi sasabihin natin na if you will not give this basic course hindi nila mabibigyan ng justice yung kanilang magiging profesyon. Okay. Then,